We are comparing three popular investing apps, Etoro, Trading 212, and Interactive Investor, to see which one is the best fit for you. I will reveal which platform I am using at the end of the video. Trading fees. First up, trading fees. Fees can have a big impact on your returns, so let's break down the costs. Etoro offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, but there's a withdrawal fee of $5. They also charge a currency conversion fee for deposits not made in USD, and an inactivity fee of $10 per month after 12 months of no login. Trading 212 is also known for commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares. There's no inactivity fee or withdrawal fees. Interactive Investor charges a monthly subscription fee starting at £9.99, which covers a certain number of trades. After that, additional trades will cost £5.99 each. So, depending on how often you trade, this could add up. So if low or no trading fees are important to you, Etoro and Trading 212 take the lead. Cryptocurrency accessibility. Next, let's explore cryptocurrency. As digital currencies become more mainstream, many investors are eager to buy, sell, and hold crypto. Etoro offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even smaller altcoins. You can trade crypto 24/7 and even move your assets to an external wallet with Etoro's dedicated crypto wallet. Trading 212 does not offer cryptocurrency trading directly. So if you're looking to trade crypto, you'll need to use a separate platform. Interactive Investor does not provide direct access to cryptocurrencies. You'll need to look elsewhere for crypto investing. If cryptocurrency investing is part of your strategy, Etoro is the clear winner here. Fractional shares. Fractional shares are a great option if you want to invest in big companies without needing a lot of money up front. Etoro offers fractional shares, so you can buy a portion of high-value stocks with as little as $10. Trading 212 also supports fractional shares, letting you invest from as little as £1. Interactive Investor doesn't offer fractional shares, so you'll need to purchase whole shares, which might limit your ability to diversify with smaller amounts. Both Etoro and Trading 212 offer fractional shares, giving them the edge if you're starting with a smaller budget. Options trading. Next, let's look at options trading. Options give investors the ability to buy or sell securities at a fixed price, but not every platform supports this feature. Etoro does not offer options trading, focusing mainly on stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Trading 212 also does not support options trading. They focus on stocks, ETFs, and CFDs. Interactive Investor does offer options trading, making it appealing to more advanced traders looking for a wider range of investment instruments. If options trading is important to you, Interactive Investor is the only one out of the three that supports it. To summarize, for low fees, Etoro and Trading 212 are your best bets. For cryptocurrency, Etoro is the clear winner. For fractional shares, both Etoro and Trading 212 offer this feature. For options trading, Interactive Investor is the only one that allows it. I personally use Trading 212 for the low fees and the interface of the platform.